Hello, how you doing? Nice, simple, easy, crunchy, crispy coleslaw on the menu today. Gonna take a minute or so. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got 4 cups here of cabbage that I've shredded, 2 cups of carrots cut really nice and small. You could grate it if you want. And I'm not using regular onion, I'm just using green onions for this one, about 2 cups again. You can adjust this as much as you want. Let's give it a mix. So the ratio to carrot, onion and cabbage is entirely up to you. I'm gonna get some black pepper in there and I'm gonna give it a couple of nice decent pinches for me. I'm not gonna add salt because of the mayo. I'm gonna put about half a cup of mayo in. I'm not gonna have it swimming in mayo, which you can if you want. I don't really like it swimming in it. And if I'm gonna use branded mayo, I do go for Hellmann's. Well, I'm gonna give that a mix. And there we have it. Nice, simple, easy coleslaw. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook. $3.99. Very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.